The Lion King, a journey of courage, responsibility, and redemption. Once upon a time in the vast African savanna, there lived a young lion cub named Simba. He was the son of Mufasa, the wise and noble king of the Pride Lands. Simba's days were filled with fun and adventure as he explored the kingdom with his best friend Nala. However, Simba's uncle, Scar, harbored jealousy and resentment towards him. Scar desired to be the king and plotted to take over the Pride Lands. One day, he lured Simba into a dangerous gorge, where a stampede of wildebeests threatened to trample him. Mufasa, alerted to the danger, rushed to save his son. With great bravery, he rescued Simba but was tragically killed by Scar, who cunningly manipulated the situation. Scar convinced Simba that he was responsible for Mufasa's death and urged him to flee the Pride Lands, never to return. Alone and filled with guilt, Simba embarked on a journey far from home. He found solace in the carefree and carelessness of the Timon and Pumbaa, a meerkat and warthog duo who taught him to live a worry-free life. Simba embraced their motto of Hakuna Matata, meaning no worries. Years later, as the Pride Lands fell into despair under Scar's rule, Simba's childhood friend, Nala, sought help. She stumbled upon Simba and urged him to return and reclaim his rightful place as king. Encouraged by Nala's determination and the wise guidance of his father's spirit, Simba found the courage to confront his past. Simba returned to the Pride Lands, rallying his animal friends against Scar's tyrannical reign. In an epic battle, Simba faced Scar and exposed his treachery to the entire kingdom. Scar met his rightful end, and Simba took his place as the true king, restoring balance and prosperity to the Pride Lands. This exhilarating tale of the Lion King teaches us the importance of courage, embracing our responsibilities, and learning from our past. It reminds us that we are not defined by our mistakes, and that true leadership requires selflessness and the willingness to stand up for what is right. And above all, it shows us that no matter how far we stray, we can always find our way back home.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.